The Arctic is warming up at twice the rate of the northern hemisphere. Along with the Arctic is also Alaska. This entire happening or process is known as Arctic amplification. Alaska faces a long list of problems due to climate change. With the current rate of change, Alaska is going to see melting of glaciers, rise in sea level, increase in temperatures, seasons lasting longer, and the list can keep on going. Out of the many, the threat that needs the most attention is rising sea level. Many cities are facing a possible flood that will lead to the city getting submerged due to the rising sea level. As the temperature is increasing, the glaciers are melting at a rate faster than we thought, and this melting of glacier leads to the sea level rising. Sea levels rising will force people to migrate and move to other cities. The city that will have the most people move in will be Anchorage. It is already a very dense city with almost 300,000 residents out of the 735,000 that reside in Alaska. As a city of North Alaska, as people of North Alaska and other regions threatened by sea level rise move here, the city of Anchorage will get very dense and will have a lot of pressure on the infrastructure. There will be fights for jobs and homes as well as food. What's worse is that the state and the Arctic are just warming up more and more every day, increasing the sea level more and more day by day. Not not just sea level, but also the rivers will overflow, leading to floods and damage to cities. This is inevitable, but what can be done is made sure that the residents that face a migration threat are placed evenly throughout the state or country, and raise more awareness about global warming so other countries can also learn about the seriousness of the situation.